Anong nagpapasarap sa weekend nyo? Kami yung kumpleto ang pamilya at itong sulit-ulitin na Alaska Carbonara alla crema. Share ko sa inyo kung paano ko lutuin. Just cook your pasta according to package directions. I-fry natin ang bacon hanggang maging brown and lightly toasted and then i-remove natin from the pan to set aside. Using the same pan, i-melt lang natin ang ating butter at i-add ang garlic and onion at i-saute natin. Iluto natin for about 1 minute in low heat. Let's add the mushroom and cook this for another minute. Then, let's add our chicken cube and our 1 cup of water. Haluin lang natin to dissolve the chicken cube. And then, let's add our Alaska crema. Parati kaming may stock nito kasi perfect talaga ang creaminess ng Alaska crema for cooking carbonara at mas affordable ito versus other brands. Ayan, haluin lang natin siya at hintayin natin kumulo. Kapag nagsisimmer na siya, pwede na natin ilagay ang Parmesan cheese. Then, let's season with salt and pepper to taste. Haluin lang ulit, tapos luto na. Pwede natin ihalo yung pasta o kaya i-pour na lang yung sauce over pasta katulad nito. Tapos lagyan natin ng bacon sa ibabaw at saka more Parmesan cheese para mas masarap. My family really loves the creamy taste of carbonara alla crema kaya naman I make sure to prepare this on weekends. At dahil affordable, masarap ulit-ulitin. Don't forget to like and follow Alaska Nanny Club on Facebook and Instagram for more sulit tips and recipes.